ELED's Payback calculator allows you to quickly and easily see the payback benefits of a retrofit LED replacement. Now, in one report, you can see project details, energy savings, utility rebates, ROI, payback, and environmental impact. Here you see the ELED homepage. Go to the Resources tab, select Rebates, then select Payback Calculator. First, select the existing fixture type. Here, we'll choose halogen incandescent. Then existing fixture. We'll choose a 400-watt lamp. Then, you'll choose the new category type. We will choose high bay. Then choose the proposed product, and we will choose 153.2 watts. From there, we can assume 4,000 hours, although that can be changed based on each job. You'll add the quantity, and we'll do a 100 for 100 replacement. We'll set the equipment cost at $250, and you can also add in labor and other additional costs. Now, if you need to add more lines, you can click the 3-lined icon at the top right to build multiple products for a job. Once additional products are added, you can click to see the full scope. Then, choose the zip code of the job. We will use 19090. The utility is Pico Energy Company. Now you can see your payback summary details, including project costs, annual kWh savings, the utility rebate, and time of payback. You then have the option on downloading a full payback summary. Here's an example. Here you will see the title page, the annual energy savings, and summary of the utility rebate. Next, a savings summary of the project without the rebate and with the rebate, an environmental impact page, and last, a project scope.